The health benefits of red wine are more of a debate nowadays. Some people say that it should be included as a part of the daily life because of its health benefits, and some other people say that they are overrated. Let us discuss about the health benefits of red wine and how it is useful for heart. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Natural Cosmos. Red wine is prepared from the extraction and fermentation of red grapes or dark colored red grapes. This extraction is buried under the ground for several years. This is because the more the age of the red wine, the more will be its value and the more health benefits it will contain. So there are several varieties of red wine available in the market. The most important one are Shiraz and Merlot. One can say undoubtedly that red wine has health benefits because they contains natural plant extracts and antioxidants. Red wine contains a component called resveratrol. This resveratrol is responsible for the health benefits of red wine. Also, this resveratrol is responsible in reducing inflammation and blood clotting. Apart from resveratrol, there are three other antioxidants available in red wine. They are catechin, epicatechin, and proanthocyanidin. Proanthocyanidin is responsible in reducing heart diseases and cancer. Apart from all these things, red wine itself is responsible in reducing heart stroke, aging, early death, depression, insulin resistance, and in reducing type 2 diabetes for women. But if you are looking for resveratrol and if you take red wine, it won't be of much use for you because resveratrol is available more in raw grapes when you take orally. If you take red wine, it contains in very less quantity. So it is better to take raw grapes orally if you want to get resveratrol. Again, this is only to the one side of the coin. If you consume more quantities of red wine for good health or for good heart health, instead of having good health, it worsens your health. Almost all, it is equivalent in taking the other varieties of alcohol. So whatever the effects you have by taking the other varieties of alcohol, the same effects you will be having by taking more amount of red wine also. These effects include heart stroke, liver cirrhosis, aging, early death, depression, etc. So it is advisable to take limited quantity of red wine. The actual quantity that one should take red wine is 1 to 1.5 glasses per day for women and 1 to 2 glasses per day for men. Among us the world nations, France is the country which consumes more red wine. So many people think that this is the reason the French people do not have heart diseases even though they take saturated fats or cholesterol foods. But several studies have revealed that even though they take saturated fats or cholesterol foods, if they take only to some extent, it won't affect them much. That is one of the reasons. And second thing is that it is not only due to the red wine that they consume helps them in not getting heart diseases, but as they consume more wholesome food like fruits, nuts, vegetables, grains and legumes, it is helpful for them for not getting heart diseases. So this is the reason, the main reason why they are not getting heart diseases, but not only due to consuming of red wine. So the bottom line is that no doubt red wine is helpful for heart health or overall health, but one should consider it as an alternative source only. In order to have good health or heart health, one should completely dependent on wholesome food like fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains and legumes. If you practice in doing that, definitely you will have good health and good heart health. And of course, you can consume red wine in limited quantities, which will also be helpful for your heart health. And if you consume red wine in more quantities, it is equivalent as taking other varieties of alcohol, and it worsens your health. Please like, share and subscribe the channel so that it boosts interest for me to research more on the topics. This is Kiran signing off until we meet again.